Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very anticipated update to my YSL college bag. I have my bag right here in its dust bag to share with you guys. Before we get into that, I wanted to make sure you guys are up to speed on what's happened so far with this bag. So as you know, I picked this bag up back in 2017 and I loved it. I literally wore it as an everyday bag for almost a year. I did a review on my channel. Make sure to get all these videos down below if you haven't seen them yet. Go check them out. I did a review on my channel, shared it with you guys, and then I did an update wear and tear where I started to notice extreme, like excessive wear on the bag. The bag was literally falling apart. It was horrendous. Go check that out. So last summer 2018, I sent my bag away with YSL for repair. And then I did an update on how my bag looked when it came back. An entire year later now, this is a year after my repair, and I want to show you how my bag's holding up and give you kind of my updated thoughts on the repair as well as the wear and tear on the bag. So here is this beauty, my YSL college bag. Guys, still love the bag. Of course, it's the black on black hardware that gets me every time, and the beautiful chevron detail. I just absolutely still love the bag. So it's been a year since my update and repair, and I have to report two sad pieces of news. Number one, I really, after it coming back from repair, I stopped wearing the bag regularly. I really did not wear this bag very much over the last year. I took it out on a trip with me, and then I've worn it a few times throughout summer, but I really haven't consistently carried the bag at all. And that's because I was afraid of the wear and tear and it happening again and the bag kind of being ruined. So I wanted to try to preserve it a little since the repair. And in doing so, I haven't been enjoying it as I usually do, which is wearing it regularly. But unfortunately, to report, even though I haven't worn the bag much, there's chipping again on my YSL. And I'm going to show you. It's mostly on the corners here. So let me bring the bag up close. If you see here, it's kind of on the corner points. There is chipping. So it's almost like a gold hardware that's peeking through the chips. I can't really believe it because I haven't worn the bag very much since in this past year for it to be chipping again. So that just tells me that with more wear, it would get a lot worse. So I'm really, again, trying to enjoy the bag, but wearing it a lot less. Other than that, like the handle, you can see under there where it was repaired, this is not, it's like wearing a little bit, but definitely prepared. I think this is a little glue or something that is coming up here. This had to be glued down, I guess. The chain itself is looking beautiful. The chain really isn't showing much wear, which is nice. And the strap, which, guys, this was like a mess. This looks way better. So overall, the bag is still presentable. The bag is, you know, holding up. Now, I bought this bag June 2017, so this is only 2 years old, but I've worn this bag consistently more than any other handbag that I've owned. So I have to keep that in mind, that this wear and tear is basically contributed to how much I've worn the bag that first year. But considering the second year, I've been very careful with it. I've only worn it, you know, selectively. I am disappointed that the chips are coming back on the hardware, and I'm not going to, you know, try to get that repaired again. It is what it is at this point. I think that's just going to continue to happen. I'm just going to leave it be. Also, now that the bag is 2 years old, I believe if I took it back to try to get that fixed, I would be at a charge to me. and I definitely don't want to put any more money into the bag. Like, I didn't, guys, if you remember, I didn't pay for my original repair, but I'm saying now that the bag's 2 years old, I'm guessing if I took that back in, they would charge me for that. And I just don't want to spend any more money on the bag as far as, you know, trying to preserve it, especially if it's going to happen again. And I think with wear, it will just continuously happen. So I feel like the bag looks good. It's holding up nicely, minus, again, those few chips. I'm just gonna, again, be careful with it, wear it selectively. I still love the bag. I definitely don't want to part ways with it, but I'm just gonna have to be careful with using it. But guys, that's my update on my YSL College bag. Still one of my favorite handbags, definitely. I just keep looking at it in the viewfinder like, I love you. It's been such a good bag, so awesome. And yeah, I mean, it sucks that it's chipping all over again, but you know, now I know. And I'm just going to be careful with it. I will definitely keep you guys posted on the wear and tear as this bag continues to grow. I hope these videos were helpful, guys. The repair series, little repair updates I did on this. Of course, as always, thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, as always, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.